Hello friends and welcome back to the Packaging channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gainward NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 Ghost and Pegasus graphics card. So friend, the Gainward has announced the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 lineup, and this release feature the Ghost and Pegasus series with advanced cooling and exceptional durability powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell. So friend, the GeForce RTX 50 series GPU bring game-changing capabilities to gamers and creators and equipped with massive level of AI horsepower. And the RTX 50 series enable new experience and next-level graphics fidelity and multiple performance with NVIDIA DLSS 4 and generate images at unprecedented speed and unleash creativity with NVIDIA Studio. So friend, the Gainward GeForce RTX 5050 Ghost is built for efficiency and durability and featuring a sleek black design with two slot form factor and ensuring compatibility with small form factor build. A twin 95 fans provide effectively cooling and maintaining low noise level for optional thermal performance, and protective backplate enhance durability and premium touch, while a subtle RGB glow on the side shroud bring a refined aesthetic without being distracting, and the Ghost strike a balance between style, functionality and value. And the Gainward GeForce RTX Pegasus Spec improved performance into a slim, single-fan design at just 17 cm in length and is built for Mini-ITX system and small form factor PC cases. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.